The Xerxes Avenue Bridge spanning I-494 was originally constructed in 1960, and after years of serving motorists, an update was in order.
The existing Xerxes Avenue Bridge served the public well for a number of years. However, it was built to an older standard. The vertical clearance between the bottom of the bridge and the freeway deck was a little smaller than we'd like now for some of the larger special permit traffic that moves through the corridor. It was also a little bit of a narrower bridge. The pedestrian facilities weren't as comfortable as you'd see now on a modern bridge.
In August of 2012, Minnesota Department of Transportation crews began removing the old bridge, requiring motorists to find an alternative route for a key connection between the cities of Bloomington, Edina, and Richfield for 11 months. And on June 14, 2013, the new and improved bridge opened to residents.
One of the things that's most important is getting you to where you want to go the way you want to get there. The Xerxes Bridge is key in that effort. So as you can see, it's incorporated pedestrian facilities. You've got nice wide sidewalks. It's got bike lanes. So if you want to ride to see your friends in Edina or Richfield, it's also got vehicle lanes to maintain the capacity for cars.
A few items are yet to be completed, including grass seating and some painting on the bridge deck. But Roberts said motorists are already seeing the shift in focus when it comes to transportation improvements in the area.
With the completion of the Xerxes Avenue Bridge across the 494, work now primarily shifts to the surface of the interstate. So in the next couple of months, you're going to see a lot of pavement rehabilitation taking place on the 494 corridor. And then beyond that, work shifts to the east side of the city in the South Loop District, where capacity, safety, and mobility improvements are taking place there.
Another important element in place when it comes to building an efficient and improved transportation system in and around Bloomington.